Hi everyone, welcome to Graphic Solution Tricks channel. Today we will show you how to do cinematic color grading in Capcut. First, open Capcut, then import your video, then drag it to the timeline. Then from here, click on Adjustment. And here you can see the loot option. Or you can go here and see the loot options here and add this loot on your video and then do some adjustment from here. From here you can do basics adjustment. You can copy the numbers. Then click on HSL and select color. I am selecting the sky color for my video. Then do some corrections here. You can also copy that. Then from curves, you can adjust them as a curve. Then again go to basic and scroll down, and here you can adjust the brightness of the whole video and choose other adjustments too. And here you can see the difference without loot and the difference without the adjustments. That's it. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to subscribe our Graphic Solution Tricks channel and click the bell icon for more updates.